Hello, my name is Tiffany Patterson. I am a student at Full Sail University, and today I'm talking about Tic Tac Toe I made for PNP4. I created Tic Tac Toe in about 3 days work. I coded the whole board into 2 different codes. This code is for the controller, where you can get the game started, play it, choose which side you want to be, X or O. The other one is controlling the button, and helps read the game controller. I had a few issues while coding, so I used a Unity tutorial video. Found out that I went a little too quickly with my coding, and I forgot one of the major keys. Literally, in coding, I keep forgetting the semicolon every time, so somehow I need to drill that into my head. Do not forget the semicolon. It's very important while coding. Here is a preview of the game I created with Unity. As you can see right here, it's Tic Tac Toe. You can choose either X or O. So this round I am choosing X, and as you can see, you can press X and the O to see who can win. This version, I am going to have O win. As you can see, O won. This time I'm going to have where the player can choose O, and I'm going to show you that X can also win. And the last try, I'm going to show X nor O is going to win. It's going to be a draw. And as you can see, it's a draw. You can play as many times as you want with whoever. I did not get to the version where you can have an AI go up against. I think some games it is fun to go against a computer, but at the same time, I'm the type of gamer that actually likes to play against other players. I hope you enjoyed the view of Tic Tac Toe that I created. Thank you.